With the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the very merciful. Husn Yusuf, the Mesa, Yade Bezadari. Husn Yusuf, the Mesa, Yade Bezadari. Achal Kuba, Hammadaran, Tut Tanhadari. Respected sir, my teacher, and my friend, Assalamu alaikum. And the friend from Kaset. Today I am here to present a speech about Surat al-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the personality who brought us from the darkness into the brightness. He guided us into the right way of life. Respected sir, I have no enough word to fulfill his great biography because Allah Himself has given witness and has praised in Quran. As he said, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam are on an exalted standard of character. दिलों से गम मिटाता है मोहम्मद नाम ऐसा है. दिलों से गम मिटाता है मोहम्मद नाम ऐसा है. नगर गुजरे बसाता है मोहम्मद नाम ऐसा है. Ummul Mu'minin Hazrat Aisha, when was asked about the character of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, she said he was just like Quran. Dear fellows, if we want to live a successful life, we should follow the golden principles of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I would like to pray that make this speech about Sayyidina Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. जो करनी है जहांगीरी मोहम्मद की गुलामी कर, जो करनी